certificate of appreciation is given to Reverend Father Darwin Gitcano in appreciation for his outstanding performance as guest speaker and inspirational speaker for the topic Empowerment on the Spiritual Warfare during the 2024 Vicarial Youth Day celebration of the Vicariate of St. Paul held at the Dudukanan sa Siquijor, Pulang Yuta, Siquijor, Siquijor, given the 6th day of June on the year of our Lord 2024. Signed, Reverend Father Marcy Salak, Vicariate Youth Director, Vicariate of St. Paul, and Luigi John T. Hidayat, Vicarial Youth Leader, Vicariate